Yan na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 10, 10. Okay? Okay. Okay. One more. One more in this group. Okay. Madali lang. Madali lang. Okay. So, pick a leader within the group. I want you to pick a leader. Yan. Dito lang sa harapan. Okay. So, the name of the game, it's a biblical game. It's a biblical game. The name of the game, okay, is Samson, Delilah, and the Lion. Samson, Delilah, and the Lion. Oh, listen. So you will have an action. There's an action. When you say Samson, the action is like this. Delilah. Lion. So remember that Samson, Delilah, and Lion. Okay. The mechanics of the game is like this. Samson can beat the lion. Delilah can beat Samson. And the lion can beat Delilah. Did you get that? Delilah can beat Samson. Samson can beat the lion. The lion can beat Delilah. Okay? Okay? So, I want the leader to go in front of me. With dito, sa front. Okay. So, the leader, you will organize your group, no, on the action that you will do. For example, the leader will tell the group, will do Delilah. So, when I say 1, 2, 3, because all of you turn, your back is turned against the other team. Come on. Yan. So, yan. Okay. Sample, sige. When for example, your leader will tell you, oh, we will do Pabulong. Yeah. We'll do Delilah, for example. And then I will count 1, 2, 3. You will face and make the action. Everybody. Yeah. So the leader will be the one to tell the group. Yeah. No, hindi pabilisan yan. Hindi pabilisan yan. Yeah, dapat pare-pareho. All of you must have the same action. For example, the leader told you, we will do the lion. So when I say 1, 2, 3, you will face the other team and you will do like this. No. Not one by one, sabay-sabay. Para mas maganda. Not one by one. All at the same time. Yeah. Yeah. Face. Yeah. Sample. Okay. Okay. Yeah. You tell them. Okay. So, leader. Bulong to. What action you will do? Is it Samson, Delilah, or Lion? And then I will count 1, 2, 3. Then do your thing. Face each other. Face the other team. And then do the Delilah, do the Samson, or do the Lion. Okay, let's have a sample so that we can see. Okay? Okay. Okay? So, okay, leader, begin. Begin to tell your... Leader, tell your team. Meron na kayo? Hindi, sasabihin mo sa kanila kung Lion sila, kung Delilah, o kung Samson. Tell your team. Ayan na, okay, bulong sa kanila. Okay? Okay. Okay. Pati yung leader, sige, sumama ka na. Okay? I will count 1, 2, 3. At the count of 3, do your action. 1, 2, 3. This, no. The men's group wins. Kasi they are Samson, you are the lion. Samson can kill the lion. Yeah. That's the mechanics. That's how it goes. Okay? That's how it goes. Just a sample. Okay? Okay. First to reach 5 wins will win the game. 5. Yeah. So again, leader, go. Lion. Yung leader sabi sa akin kung okay na kayo. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This group wins kasi iba-iba kayo eh. You're not all the same. So, 1 point for the women's group. All of you must be the same. The action must be the same. Yeah. Yeah, you must relay it. The leader must relay it to his team. Okay? Okay. Talikod na ulit, talikod. Okay. For round 2. Okay, leader, go. Leader, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Talo! 2 points! 2 points! They win because they're Delilah and you're Samson. They win. Okay, another round. Leader, go! First to reach 5 points will win.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Leader, are you ready? Is your team ready? Is your team ready? Not yet? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. Men's team wins. So the score is 2-1. 2-1. Okay. Again, another round.
Magsa-Samson daw sila.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Leader, are your team ready? Is your team ready? 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 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, tie. Winner. Ano ba? Ay, so, you lose kasi iba-iba eh. Yung iba, Samson eh. Yung iba, Samson. Samson ba kayo? Bakit may nakaganong iba eh? Hindi, may nakaganon eh. May naglayon sa inyo. May naglayon. So, all two. Okay, the game is exciting. It's all two.
Bigla may naglayon.
First to reach 5 points wins the game.
Gangnam Style.
Okay? Next group, ready? Okay, ready? How about the women's group? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, the same. All two is still a tie game. All two. Okay. Next round. Come on. Next round. women's group, are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Iba-iba na naman eh. You lose. Iba-iba kayo. 3-2. Men's team is leading by 1. 3-2.
Iba-iba.
3-2. Okay, another round. 3-2. Sige, kaya pa umabol. 3-2. 2 more and the men's team will win. Okay. Dapat pare-pareho. Okay. Come on, come on. Men's team are ready. How about the women's team? Not yet. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Talo. All three. Okay, next round. All three. Men's team ready. How about the women's team? Are you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! They win. No, they... man. This wins 4-3. 4-3. Women's are leading by 1. You lose because you're a lion. They are Samson. Okay, if the women team get this round, they'll be the winner the next round. Okay. Men's group ready? How about the women's group? Are you ready? Not yet? Not yet? Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! It's a tie. They won. Delilah, you are. It's 4-4. So this will be the last round. The winner will be the winner of the game. The winner of this round will be the winner of the game. Last round. All 4. Men's group ready? How about the women's group? Are you ready? Ready. Women's group, are you ready? Tagal. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, oh. Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Oh. Another round. No winner yet. All 4. Okay, men's group ready. How about the women's group? Are you ready? Not yet? Ready? Okay. This will be the last round. If there's a winner, 1,